Okay, I got it open. Here we go! Okay, so you're probably wondering why on earth I bought Kim's clothes. I can explain. So the other day I was on Instagram and I was going through Instagram stories, different people's Instagram stories, and I got to Kim's and I started clicking through her Instagram stories, and then she was like, don't forget, shop my closet, my real clothes out of my closet. And I was like, this can't be real. What? So many businesses, there's no way this woman is selling her clothes. And then I swiped up and I got lost in a web called Kardashian Closet. Not only does Kim sell her clothes, but so does Kylie, Courtney, Chloe, Kendall, Chris. All of them sell their clothes on there. And they have multiple items on there. And it says on the website, I'm going to read to you what it says. Kardashian Closet is the first luxury design resale site featuring the Kardashian-Jenner family's fabulous fun clothing. Each authentic item has been hand-selected and is now available exclusively for the public to purchase here. Then it has all of their faces because you can shop all of their closets. So of course I went to Miss Kimberly, who also, by the way, I've met several times in GSE. That was not a flex. I'm just trying to say she's really sweet in person. It says, Kim Kardashian West, entrepreneur, social media phenomenon, and founder and owner of beauty brands KKW and KKW Fragrance, Shapewear line Skim, invites you to shop her fashion pieces. Authenticated items owned and worn by Kim are now exclusively on Kardashian Closet. So it's saying she has worn these items. They are hers. They came out of her closet. So that's what got me. I was like, is this real? And also I was like, how weird am I going to be for buying it? So I go through, by the way, there's this bag on here. I see it's still on here for $40,000. That will not be a part of this whole video today. I don't know, I started laughing because what if I was like, and I bought it? You guys would be like, whoosh. I'm already crazy enough for the amount of money that I spent on the site. But she has like a $1,900 dress from Dolce and Gabbana. She has all kinds of different items on here, as do the other sisters. So then I just got to thinking, scrolling through the site, how fun would it be if I bought a couple of the pieces and unboxed it and like, I had Kim's used clothes in my house. I feel so weird for doing this, but I'm doing it because I bought them. So I bought a few pieces and I have real scissors today. And they're right here. And they're in this box. They shipped so quick. So it makes me think it is real because I know she lives close by in California and like it shipped in like a day. It was like here the next day. So it's like locally shipped from California. So all I did is take my slip of paper out of the box because I didn't want my address to show. But this is the box that it came in. Just a big white box. Never opened it. I hope the items are right in here. Let's see. Because girl, I spent coin on this. So I'm kind of nervous. Like what is it going to look like? Okay, I got it open. Here we go! Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, I have to show you what it looks like on top. Like this. Everything is nicely wrapped, and the tissue paper says Kardashian Closet, and that each thing has like a sticker on it with like a K for their name. I feel kind of cool. I bought 2 pair of her shoes. I'm going to be trying everything on in just a second. But I bought 2 pair of her shoes. This is the first pair. I have the prices, so I'll tell ya. So the first item I got is the Manolo Blonic heels. That is a designer heel. I paid $400 for them. So they were pricey. It was actually like though for a used shoe and like this designer, she definitely paid more for them if she bought them herself. She paid more for them than $400. So they were so beautiful. So we're just gonna open them. Oh my gosh. Oh, and by the way, me and Kim are the same size shoes. We're both a 7 or a 7.5. Oh my gosh. She's definitely had, this is so weird. I'm like creeping out. She's definitely had them on her foot because there's her toe marks in them. Ty's like this looking like, what? Do you kind of see? Right here. You can see it more in person. I'm trying to look at the viewfinder to see how it reads on camera. I'll do it with my vlog channel camera too. And if you don't believe me that they have toe prints, take a look at this. They are worn heels. These are her used shoes. So, okay, here you go. You can kind of see the toe mark here. I feel so creepy and weird. I promise I'm not a weird person. Okay, I'm a little weird, but this is like weird, me being like, look at Kim's toe. You know, here they are. They're absolutely stunning, and I will actually wear these. Like, I think they're so pretty. That's why I bought them, because they're stunning. Isn't that weird?
It's really weird, but it's basically the same thing as a thrift store.
It is the same thing as a thrift store. Really expensive thrift store.
Oh, Jesus. Those look really nice.
They are pretty, aren't they? They're stunning.
Yeah.
That makes me happy. I actually am going to wear them whenever we get out of quarantine because they're really cute and I paid $400 for them. So.
Are you going to tell people?
No, I'm not going to tell anyone. I would never be like, oh, these are Kim's shoes. I wouldn't tell people, but she's definitely worn these a few times. And
so
they are
crazy.
So beautiful.
They're gorgeous.
So this isn't the only pair of shoes I bought from her. I bought another. We got clothing too. I bought another pair of shoes, and for this pair, it's the same brand, and they were $4.50. So,
what are they originally, do you know?
I'll look it up and put it on the screen. So here's the other pair. We're gonna open it. These are also a 7. Ooh, so it's the exact same shoe in dark brown.
Oh, I love those.
Yeah, these are so beautiful. These look a little more new, like she didn't actually wear these. Maybe she tried them on because they have a few marks on them, but it doesn't seem like they were worn outside if she did wear them. Okay, can you see them on the shiny part? It's a little mark. You can tell like a foot's been in here, but I believe maybe just for a try on inside because the shoe is brand new. And same thing with the other one. It's like no markings really on the bottom, but maybe a little bit of a print. But yeah, they look really great condition and the shoes are absolutely beautiful. If you guys hang tight, I will try them on my own foot so you can see what they look like. Okay, now let's move on to clothes. I got some clothing pieces. So I bought a Tom Ford skirt with tag for $360. Here it is. It comes wrapped up, really nicely folded. Wow. The bad thing is I don't think this skirt is going to fit me, but I will.
Got a booty.
I will try. I don't think this was. I think this was hers in her closet, but I don't think this piece was worn by her because it says it still has the tags on it. But it's so freaking cute. It's kind of hard to see it on the camera, but it is a size 40. So I don't think it'll fit me, but it has a belt, so maybe I can tighten the belt. Yeah, you can get the belt a lot tighter, and maybe I can make it fit me, but we'll try it on. Now you guys can see the belt. Do you see the belt on it? It kind of just like camouflages in it. This is what the back looks like. Yeah, it's really cute. I love it. It's stunning. Should I smell it? Would that be weird? I'm smelling it.
Ew, you smell the butt piece.
It just smells like clothes. Like, it doesn't smell like laundry detergent or anything. No, that piece isn't worn by her because it still has the tags. But I got another piece.
Maybe she just tucked the tags in.
No! This is a Dolce & Gabbana jacket. This is the most expensive piece that I bought. It was $595. Ty's over here looking at me like,
Huh.
No size, fits like a small. So I bought this piece. I thought it was really pretty. I love the color of it. Also wrapped up.
Are there any images of Kim?
Okay, this has definitely been worn a good bit because it's, it kind of looked worn in the picture a little bit. So I had a vibe that's been worn, but this is what it looks like. It's so cute to me. I love the colors. Ty, I want you to zoom into this part right here on the neck.
When they show you pictures on the website that show you them wearing it?
No.
That would be better.
Do you guys see the marking? You see that, Ty?
I love that. You love the marking.
I love it. Makes the video more interesting that it's been worn, does it not? And then the back has like a pink.
Makeup stain, maybe? I don't know.
I don't know. There's like a pink right here mark, but I'm just being silly, y'all. But like I said, if I ever wore these out in public, I would never be like, I bought Kim's used clothes. Hello, everybody. It is future Laura editing the video. And as I'm watching the video, I just wanted to make sure that you guys understood that I wouldn't tell people I bought Kim's used clothes in public. Not because I'm embarrassed to wear used clothes. I actually shop at thrift stores all the time. And if you watch videos on my vlog channel, I take you thrift shopping with me. I love reusing clothes. I love it, and I love that Kim's doing this. I wouldn't tell people that I bought Kim's clothes or bought her used clothes because I don't want them to think that I'm like obsessed with her and stalking her. You know, I don't want to send those signals out. Not because I'm embarrassed. I love Kim. I think she's great, but just because I don't want people to be like, you are a super fan, you need to chill. You know what I mean? But this is what it looks like. I'm going to try it on for you guys now. But it's cute, right? You see why I only got 4 pieces? Girl, the cart, I was like, this will be an expensive YouTube video, but at least I get to get some really fancy clothes.
There's still things available on the website?
There's tons of things available, guys. Tons of things. Lots available. It's all pricey, but it's available. So if you want to, like, I'll obviously link it down below. So if you guys want to, like, just look yourselves or maybe buy something, I don't know. I'll link it down below. It's interesting.
If you find Kim wearing any of these pieces for this
If
picture
you
for,
find Kim, but the thing is, like, she's not paparazzi. Oh, by the way, the sleeves. Do you see how the sleeves are kind of dirty? Yeah, this has been worn a bit. I feel like I may have seen a picture with her in this, but the rest of the stuff, I don't know. But yeah, if you do see a picture, you know, let me know. Okay, I'm going to try this on for you guys.
you decided to try it on?
I feel weird. Alright guys, so this is the jacket try-on. I think it's super cute. It looks very 90s. And the sleeve length I think is pretty good. It's like a tighter leather jacket, I think. And yeah, I like it. I think I'll be wearing it out. It reminds me so much of the 90s, to be honest with you, or like the early 2000s. Maybe this is more of an early 2000s moment. Like this is very Britney Spears moment. These little tight leather jackets were the coolest thing, and I feel like that's coming back in style. So I think it'll be really cute.
Looks good on you.
Thanks.
When you wear it, I'm telling everyone though.
Alrighty guys, we have on one of the heels. Ty's gonna get you a better view, but I just want you guys to see how cute they are from overhead. Really cute. I love the color of them. So these are what they look like on. I freaking love them. If you don't back up, I do not like my feet being filmed. So this is what they look like. They fit really well. This is my size. And I really like them. Whenever I get to go out and leave my house again to go somewhere fun, I will definitely be wearing these. So I'm going to try them on in brown for you next.
These look like things you would wear.
They do, right?
Things.
Honestly,
shoes.
I wouldn't have even done the video if nothing on the website like looked good to me, and I wouldn't just buy it just to buy it. I wanted to make sure I like the stuff.
Okay.
And then this is the same shoe but in dark brown, which guys, these are like the perfect heel because really you can dress them up, or you could wear them with a pair of jeans and make casual heels out of them. They are pretty tall, meaning they're not going to be comfortable to wear for a long time, but my god, they're so cute. I normally don't buy heels for comfort, you know, I buy sneakers for comfort, but I really like them, and yeah, I'm wearing Kim's shoes. Okay guys, here we have the skirt. If you see fuzzies on it, that is 100% because of me, but it comes with a cute belt. Here is the logo inside. It just says Tom Ford. Again, the cat hair is all on me. Here's the size, but here's something I noticed on it. So here's the tag. Remember, it said on the website comes with tags. So when I opened the tag, it had a sticker over the USD retail price. Guys, this is $1,490 for the skirt. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Wow, really crazy. So yeah, this is what it looks like minus all the fuzzies, and I didn't realize how expensive this was, and I actually would get it for a really good deal in that case. Alrighty, this is the skirt, guys. It was a little bit big for me, but I just tightened the belt, which leaves all this ruching in the back, but if I tucked a cute shirt in and kind of fluffed it out, I think it would cover it. This is what it looks like with just a white tank top. I think it's so freaking cute. Again, I think this is a piece that you could dress down or dress up. Feels really comfy. And yeah, it's a good quality piece. I just finagled the belt to make it fit me.
This looks like something you'd wear for real. I like it. It looks good on you.
Guys, we went there. I went shopping in Kim's closet and I bought some of her pieces and I smelled them. I tried them all on for you guys and acknowledged that they have been worn. This may have been a really weird video, but I had super fun filming it, and let me know if you guys want to see another one of these. I love you guys. Please subscribe for more content like this and turn your notifications on, and I'll see you all in my next video.